So hello everyone, welcome back to Statistic 1, the chapter 1, Exploring Data, topic Assume Mean. So what is mean by assume mean? So in reality, we have to deal with very big data, something like this, 3,195, 99, 3,165, 3,162, something like that. It's really big. So when you work out the means and the standard deviation of this one, it's quite hard because the number is quite big. So when you square them, you square root them, you're more likely to make it wrong and make a mistake. So what an assume mean do? I will choose it. Assume mean is a number which is really close to the numbers that we choose by ourselves. So for me, I will choose my assume mean to be 3,160 for the point. So here I will take x of the number minus by my assume mean. So I have a new set of data minus 1, 5, 2, which is really simple and easy to work with. So now I will work out the mean of the new data set. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 2 over 3 equal to 2. So my mean, because the first here is really big, but the new mean is really small. So I will do it like this. I will take 2 plus my assumed mean, 3,160, which is 3,162. You see the mean of these three numbers. So why we have to do like this? So when we have a set there x1, x2, n, and then we minus for each member of them would be minus a plus no, x2 minus a xn minus a. So when we now we want to find the mean of this one would be x1 minus a plus x2 minus a plus plus xn minus a over n equal to x1 plus x2 plus plus xn minus an, because we have xn, we have n numbers of x, so minus by n times of a will be an over n equal to x1 plus x2 plus xn over n minus a, because we reduce this one by this one here minus a. So look at this one. This one is our O mean, which is the mean of this group. When we minus all the number with a numbers a, which is this one, we have a new mean, which is, for this case, it is 2. This one is in the new mean. This one is in the new mean. So for this case, which is 2, and for my case, a 3,160. So then the O mean that I have would be 3,162. So that's why. So for standard deviation, and the standard deviation of x is the same for standard deviation of d. So why standard deviation is the same? So the deviation is the distance of a value x to the mean, x bar mean. So when we find the standard deviation in here, when all from x1, x2, xn, all of them are all of them minus a. So the distance remain the same. So for standard deviation, it should remain the same too. The same, no change. So according to the formula that we have, so we will find the standard deviation of this one here. Square root of x squared, this one squared is 1, 25 plus 4 over 3. What is our mean? Our mean is 2 square. So we would have square root of, here's 30 is 10 minus 4, so it will be square root of 6 equal to 0.45. So this one is one of the most common question in the S1 paper, so you have to really focus on this part. So here we have a set of 10 layer items. The sum of x minus 9 is 7, and the sum of x minus 9 squared is 17. Find their mean and their standard deviation. So here's all the data minus 9. So we have our assumed mean equal to 9. So because we have the sum of x minus 9 equal to 7, we have 10 data items, so the new mean of the x minus 9 equal to d, so d, the mean of this one, equal to 7 over 10 equal to 0.7. So because we have our assumed mean is 9 and x minus 9 is equal to d, and d is 0.7, so our mean will equal to 0.7 plus 9 equal to 0.7. So in this part, the next part we will find the standard deviation of this one. Here we have the sum of x squared for the new data set, which is minus by 9. So we have the x squared and we have the mean. So we use the form to find the standard deviation. Standard deviation equal to square root of 17, which is the sum of the x squared, over 10 minus the 0.7 squared, which is the mean, equal to square root of 1.21 equal to 1.1. It's really easy. Remember that you this one, find the new mean, which is take this number divided by the number of data we have to find the new mean, and find the true mean by take this number plus or minus the assumed mean that we have. For some case, they write like this: x plus 4 equal to 7. So in this case, our assumed mean is minus 4. So when we find the new mean, we take this one, minus 4 plus 0.7 would be minus 3.3.